Okay, the last type of transformation we need to identify is one that we see here. I can tell that this original, my pre-image, triangle ABC, it appears as though this original pre-image has been picked up and moved to make my image. Hasn't been turned, hasn't been flipped, it's just picked up and moved. This is what we call a translation. To identify a translation, we simply need to count corresponding parts together. So let's say I'm going to pick up point A, I'm going to move it to be A prime. So let's count. Drive me there. You have moved up 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have moved right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if this is a transformation, that should be consistent. We can tell that we have risen 4 and ran 8. Now, let's give a direction with that. Up 4, right 8. Let's ensure that this has occurred with every set of points. So from B to B prime, let's test up 4, right 8. 1, ooh, let me get my pointer here. B, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my conjecture worked for B to B prime. Let's test C to C prime. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know that this is the translation that has occurred. Sometimes we say a translation in words. We say I translated it up 4 and right 8. A more formal way to write that, and one that I would like for you to get used to. You're taking every point that was x comma y, and it is becoming the point. If I moved to the right 8, that's where my x value is affected. So I would say x plus 8, comma y plus 4, because the y movement was affected by my up or down, and the right movement affects my x coordinate. And in this case, they're both plus signs because I went up and right, which are positive movements, just like I do with slope. Those are positive movements up and right and slope. They're positive movements when I'm writing this translation. Had I moved left or down, you would have seen minuses here instead of plus signs. And that is identifying a translation.